Welcome back to the Basic Excel course. Today we'll dive into how to properly set up your printing page in Excel to make sure your data prints exactly the way you want it. First, select the worksheet that contains the data you want to print. Then, go to the Page Layout tab where you'll find important print settings. One key option here is choosing the page orientation. You can select between portrait, vertical, and landscape, horizontal, layout depending on your data. For example, landscape orientation is often better for wide tables because it fits more columns across the page, while portrait is useful for more narrow data sets. After choosing your preferred orientation, you'll notice grid lines showing the page boundaries. This helps you visualize exactly what will be printed on each page. Next, it's important to define the exact area you want to print, especially if your worksheet has a lot of data, but you only need a specific part. Simply highlight or select the range of cells you want printed, then click on Print Area and select Set Print Area. This tells Excel to print only the selected cells, ignoring the rest of the sheet. To review or adjust this later, you can clear the print area and select a new range if needed. Additionally, you can customize how the printout scales on the page. By default, Excel will print at normal size, but if you want to fit more data on a single page or adjust margins, you can choose options like Fit Sheet on one page or manually scale your printout. This flexibility ensures your printed document looks neat and professional. Mastering these page setup options saves you time and frustration by giving you full control over what and how your Excel data gets printed.